Good day mga boss! Welcome po sa ating channel, Math Tutorials TV. In this video, we are going to discuss the power formula of integration. So are you ready? Let us start. So what is the power formula of integration? So ito po yung formula or the power formula of integration. So we have here integral of u raised to n du is equal to u raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. At saka yung n natin should not be equal to 1. Okay? So, say for instance, we're going to evaluate the integral of quantity 3x cubed plus 1 over 2x squared dx. Okay? So, yung gagawin natin mga boss is we're going to simplify first this given function. So, pwede din natin isulat ito na integral of 3x cubed plus 1 plus 1 half. So, ilipat natin yung x squared na sa denominator to numerator using the law of exponent. So, magiging x raised to negative 2 yan mga boss. Diba? So, sa law of exponent, pag kinuha mo yung reciprocal, so nag-change yung exponent niya from positive to negative or vice versa. That is times dx. Then, we are going to distribute the integral sa ating function at saka yung dx. So, this will become 3 integral of x cubed dx. So, ilabas natin yung constant sa integral. So, we have 3 integral of x cubed dx plus integral of dx plus 1 half integral of x raised to negative 2 dx. Okay? Now, by applying the power formula of integration, we have 3 times. So, x cubed, so this is in the form u raised to n du. So, we have here x 3 plus 1 kasi it's un plus 1. So, our n is 3. So, 3 plus 1, that is 4. So, yung sa denominator niya is also 4 din. So, kung ano yung exponent, siya din yung denominator. Then, plus, integral of dx is x plus 1 half times the integral of x raised to negative 2 dx, that is equal to x. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1 over negative 1 plus c. Okay? Simplifying further, this is equal to, so multiply natin, this is 3x raised to 4 over 4 plus x plus, so eto, we have a negative exponent. So, magiging negative na pala ito kasi may negative 1 tayo dito. So, positive times negative 1, this will become negative. So, we have here a negative exponent. So, para mag-positive exponent, kunin natin yung reciprocal. So, that is equal to x, 1 over 2x. So, pag kinuha natin yung reciprocal, mag-change yung sign ng kanyang exponent. So, from negative 1, magiging positive 1 na lang yan, mga boss. Plus c. So, this is now the answer of the integral of our given function. Next, we're going to evaluate the integral of a squared minus y squared quantity 5y dy. So, dito mga boss, we will let u equals a squared minus y squared, and our n is 5 because that is the exponent of a squared minus y squared. So, if we're going to get the derivative of u, that is the derivative of a squared minus y squared. So, that is equal to derivative of a squared. By the way, a is constant here. So, derivative of a constant is 0. So, derivative of negative y squared, that is negative 2y dy. Okay? Now, if you notice mga boss, here we have y dy, not negative 2y dy. So, hindi pareho. So, para mabalance natin na maging y dy siya, so anong i-multiply natin sa negative 2 to make it y dy? Yes, correct mga boss. So, we are going to multiply here negative 1 half to negative 2y dy to make it y dy. So, to balance our equation or our function. So, in other words, we can write here negative, or our function, we can rewrite that as negative 1 half integral of a squared minus y squared quantity raised to 5 negative 2y dy. Okay? So equals, so this is now our u and n is our 5. So by applying the power formula of integration, we have this is equal to negative 1 half times. So our u is a squared minus y squared. So this is a squared minus y squared. Okay? Raised to, okay, so raised to 6 because 5 plus 1 is 6 over 6, okay, plus c. So that is equal to, multiplying this, we have negative of a squared minus y squared quantity raised to 6 over 2 times 6, that is 12 plus c. So eto na po mga boss yung integral ng ating given function. So I hope may natutunan kayo mga boss. Thank you for watching and God bless.